Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reboot your ECOVACS DEEBOT N30 Omni. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Rebooting simple and straightforward. This is not a full factory reset. This is just powering off and restarting your device. So, front and center at the top, the middle button is our power button. Just hold it for a couple of seconds and you'll hear a chime and some music. So there we go. It's kind of like a lullaby, right? So we just put it to sleep. So now it's powered off. And to turn it back on for that nice reboot, go ahead, press the power button again, and we'll hear another chime and sound when the unit is booted back up. So we just pressed it, the light's illuminated. Give it a second here. It's blinking. And then we have our power on music right there. Simple and straightforward if you ever need to reboot your vacuum.